The Inner Champions podcast is sponsored by the Real Talk with Jordyn podcast. Please check out all her social media platforms. They will be listed in the description. Please give her a follow. Please go show her some dedication and some support. And I hope you guys enjoy today's bonus episode. Thanks for listening. I appreciate you. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to the Inner Champions podcast. This is a bonus episode. It is currently Tuesday, September 2nd, and this is going to get released on Saturday. And we are here to discuss Service Dog Awareness Month.